Hello friends, today we are going to make a small butterfly from paper. So first I have taken a very small square which I cut out. Next I have a pair of scissors which we will use for cutting later and some stapler. Now let's get started. As you can see there are these markings. We need to firstly fold it like this and make a crease. Then we need to fold it the other way like this, and here also we need to make a crease. Then after we will fold halfway like this and other way around like this. And please remember that we need to make a crease in every step. Now the second step is we need to fold firstly this half inwards, done, then this half inwards, that also is done. Now we can see this place, it's an edge, so we fold it like this. Now the resulting thing will be a triangle like shape which can be folded and unfolded. Now next we will fold it in half. Now that we have folded this piece into a half, we will make a line using a pencil like I have done. It should be something like this. Now we take the scissors and we will cut along this line. The upper parts is not needed. We only need the bottom part where we cut it, the larger part. Desection this and you can keep the wastes in your waste dustbin. Now that we have this, we will open it up and we will open this half up and pick one petal, then fold it from the middle like this. It's not needed for the full wing to be visible on the other side like this. Only some part will also do. I need to resection this like here, and we need to make the second one parallel to this like this. Now after that we will use this one and bring it here. Then we will fold this bigger one, fold this, and then use the staplers to staple this up. Now our butterfly is ready. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe.